Hey everybody out there, this will be a new video because I recently just upgraded to the Hero 7 Black. I also bought a gimbal and the official GoPro tripod grip, so hopefully the video quality will get better and it'll be easier for me to shoot these videos now. But what we're going to do today is, as you can see here on my daily driver Nissan Maxima, this headlight's really nasty compared to the other one because that one has actually been replaced. I was in a small fender bender, but we're going to clean both of them today. I wanted to try just a simple cleaner first before I went full on buff. So what we have is this Rain-X Xtreme Clean renews glass and plastic, and it shows right on it a headlight. So what we're going to do is try that. Now the first step it tells you to do is clean the headlights. So we're just going to use some Napa brand glass cleaner with ammonia just to see if it'll take any of that off, and then we'll get down to the extra one. So let's get started. Alright, now that we've cleaned it, the first step it says to do here is with a damp cloth, apply the product, and then in a circular motion put it on and then take it off another cloth. So I've got some water here. I'm gonna wet my cloth. These are just plain simple, just white microfibers I picked up at Walmart. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna put it on my rag instead of on the headlight. Put just a little bit more on there, and it tells you right on the bottle this is not for painted surfaces. So as you get it on your bumper, your fender, your quarter, whatever, I'm just going to take another rag and wipe it back off. Alright, so now I'm going to take another towel and wipe it clean. Now this is just the first application here, and as you can tell it actually did quite a good job. I'm gonna go back and detail a little bit around the edges and on the top and see how it comes out finally. Well guys, I finished this headlight up here. Needs a little bit more cleaning here and there, but there's a huge difference for a $5 bottle of cleaner and about 10 minutes worth of labor. Now we're gonna do this side. It's not as bad, but it's getting bad. So we'll go ahead and do this one, and then we'll show you the finished product. All right guys, this one right here gave me a little bit, I think we'll have to buff it a little bit harder, but almost everything has come out of it. As you can tell before I started, it's a huge difference, especially on the passenger side. And I've got maybe 10-15 minutes of labor in it. And this was $4.97 at Walmart, and it did a great job. I'm impressed. So now with newly cleaned headlights and fog lights in this thing, I'm gonna be able to see everything at night. So I highly recommend this, guys. You need to get ahead of it before it gets bad though, because then like on this piece over here, I'm probably gonna have to actually have it buffed and taken out. So a little bit of maintenance goes a long way. Okay, about as good as it's gonna get.